Ring alarm contact sensors are essential components of your home security system, designed to monitor doors and windows throughout your home. Before setting up your contact sensor, you'll need a ring alarm base station. The sensors communicate with the base station using Z-Wave technology for reliable connectivity. To begin setup, first ensure your ring alarm system is disarmed. This prevents false alarms during the installation process. Open the Ring app and select Set up a device. Navigate to the contact sensor option to begin the pairing process. Activate setup mode by pulling the battery tab or inserting fresh batteries into the sensor. You may also need to scan the QR code on the device for identification. The second generation Ring contact sensor offer improved features, including easier mounting and an extended range of up to 1 inch between the sensor and magnet for more flexible installation. Ring contact sensors use Z-Wave technology to communicate with your base station, providing reliable wireless connectivity throughout your smart home network. Once configured, your Ring contact sensors seamlessly integrate with other Ring devices, creating a comprehensive DIY home security solution that's recognized as one of the best systems available in 2025. Proper mounting and placement are crucial for your Ring contact sensor's effectiveness. The basic principle is simple. Mount the sensor on the door or window and the magnet on the frame, or vice versa. You can use the provided adhesive tape for easy installation or screws for a more permanent mounting solution. Here's what proper mounting looks like in practice. Critical alignment requirement. Ensure the sensor and magnet are aligned and within 1 inch or less when the door or window is closed. This is especially important for second-generation sensors. When mounting, always leave enough space to slide the sensor open for battery replacement. Here's how the battery compartment works. Important placement restrictions. Avoid mounting the sensor on the hinge side of doors or near mail slots, as these locations can cause interference and false alarms. For outdoor applications, Ring offers specialized outdoor contact sensors that can monitor gates, sheds, and outdoor windows and doors with weather-resistant design. The quick exit feature allows you to temporarily bypass a sensor without disarming your entire system. This is useful when you need to leave a window open or let pets through a monitored door. Looking ahead, Ring is integrating advanced AI technology to reduce false alarms and provide more context-aware security responses, making your contact sensors even smarter and more reliable.